What's up, everybody? Southpaw here. I'm making me some brown rice, right? Brown rice. And I got me some green peppers, yellow peppers, and red peppers. And I'm gonna dice me I'm a bachelor, so I'm about to dice this onion up in here. Okay. All fresh. This is all fresh stuff, you know. Went to the farmer's market with my nephew. Shout out to Daniel Getty. And I was cooking this, and I'm like, am I gonna make a little video? Should I just make a little video, you know? I haven't been feeling like that lately, but so here's a little, you know, dicing that up in there. And got the onions added the flavor. I thought the peppers and stuff added flavor, but the onions added the flavor as well. I think the onions add more flavor than the green peppers and the peppers. I don't know if I got the peppers for color or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure. Definitely dicing dicing them though. It's all about not cutting yourself too, you know what I'm saying? Good cook never leaves the kitchen. That's how I binge watch a lot of stuff. Then I start cooking, I'll put something on, podcast or something. You know, because a good cook never leaves the kitchen. You know, I get sloppy with it sometimes, but I be timing it. I'm so aware of it. Come from a cooking family, and we cook, you know. Yep. So saute my vegetables. This is my onions. Everything is onions. Peppers, green peppers, and you know, I have no problem eating healthy. I grew up in the garden. Now, what I like to do though, when I'm mixing different items together, I like to season them before I mix them together. I like to season them before I mix them together. That each one brings their own savory flavor to the mix, so flicks out. You know what I'm saying? So could have put some of my family's music on while I did this, because I don't have to worry about copyright infringement, because my people make music. Music you can cook to, ride to, kick it with, everything. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna mix all my vegetables. I'm gonna mix all my little peppers, onions together before I put my rice over here with it. Okay. You know how you cut the white part off when you cut your green pepper? The green pepper, the red pepper, and the orange, yellow pepper cost more, so I diced all that up. You don't pay for it. I cost more. I'm gonna eat the whole enchilada. Okay. we're gonna mix these together. That's what they look like while we're mixing it together. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Mixing the veggies and the, mix them all in there together. Got the house smelling real good, okay? Now I'm gonna stir in a little bit of rice at the same time. Okay? Stir fry without the meat is what I'm calling this. I stopped eating meat after July 7th, but I didn't look up what I'm supposed to do after stopping eating meat, so I did end up having to eat some whiting one day from getting dizzy and passing out. Everybody got something they don't believe in, so I'm not sure what calories are, so I'll just stop eating to lose weight when I'm overweight. My nurse practitioner was here Tuesday. She actually wrote on the paper, morbid obesity. She literally wrote that down. And this is brown rice. We know brown rice is healthier. And brown flour, wheat bread, brown sugar. Brown sugar is just white sugar with molasses, but what makes brown sugar healthy is the molasses. Okay. And this is what it look like. Yeah, that's rice with the vegetables. See what I'm saying? That ain't corn. Oh, you gotta smell it, baby. Can you smell it through there? Gotta smell it, baby. Smell it. You hear me? If I had some tortilla shells, I'd make a wrap out of this. I gotta get some more brown sugar. Brown rice. I got a little bit left. My diet consists of bananas, apples, vegetables, all vegetables, and bananas, apples. I even eat I like these pickled okra. You feel me? Get you some pickled okra. It's a superfood. Sunflower seed kernels are superfood too. You hear the crunch? It's so good. So good. Man. Just want to throw it in there. That's good. Man. You saw me cut the onion, so you know. And that's my homemade stir fry, Southpaw, the poet way, with no meat. Like, share, subscribe. Eat healthy, y'all. Health as well. Like, share, subscribe. Dislike, unsubscribe. Deuces, 2 fingers.